Okay.
Nakalimut ako, boy.
Tira ko. Show to Yuhan, oh.
It's a bird. It's a bird, oh.
You saw the bird.
Bad.
You teach Yuhan, you teach.
We'll get another one.
Huh? You teach, oh.
Tara, oh. There. It's a flower.
It's a flower, that one, oh. That's a flower. The flower of this.
Open this. Wait.
Like that,
Wait.
Then you have to put that in your mouth and blow it.
No, nah, this is daw English. You pinch your nose,
You don't know how to make sound. Oh, you see that? Tita, no, tita.
Ikaw daw. How about you,
How you
Pipin?
been? Nah, you see? That's why you are not from the bukid. Only tita is from the bukid. Yeah, tita grow up from the bukid. Because you don't know how to make that sound. See that? Oh, see that? Oh. Nah. Tita use it to call the birds.
Nah. Where's the bird?
Later, the birds will come later.
You want to call the birds? No.